Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson Expression Home XP 3205 printer. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, triple in one if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have the cable at Vinyl Tech Store, online store. Check it out, free delivery here in UK. We can also send this abroad to you. We also have some of this printer we use, okay, which we purchased and review. Some of them are on our site, okay. Check the price. We have various printers there on the site. We tested it and they're working. Now this printer is using Ink Cartridges 604 ink or 604 extra large. This printer you can print auto two-sided print with real paper tray. So the paper goes at the back here and front glass scanner. This is the glass scanner and LCD screen, 3.7 centimeter LCD screen. You can also connect this printer using your mobile device. This printer is compatible. You need to connect it with Epson Smart Panel to be able to use this printer with your mobile device or your PC. You can also download the software to your PC for you to be able to print documents from your PC using this printer. What we want to do is to show you step by step how to install the ink. 4 ink cartridges included in the packaging. Okay, so you have black, yellow, cyan and magenta. So what we're going to do is to show you step by step how to install the ink is what you are going to do. Before we do that, I want to turn this printer around. So the power cable, this printer is right now plugged in to the socket. This is the power cable. It goes here. The USB cable goes to the side here. If you are wondering what spot is here, so the USB cable goes here, but it's not included in the packaging. So from the back, if you have any paper jam, open up this section, bring this out, check for any paper jam and debris here. Okay, once you finish, close it. There are springs here. You just need to press it together. Okay, and it's locked. Okay, so this is the real paper tray. You load various sizes of paper, A4 paper, 4x6, various size photo paper here. Okay, now going to turn this around. Like I said, this is the glass scanner. Now this is LCD screen. From the LCD screen, you switch this printer on and off here, and this is the home. Go back to home page or home screen. So bring this printer very close so that you can see. So now this is switch on and off. This is home screen. Now you select your languages, so you can select various languages, English, Peso. Use the down arrow to select France, Dutch, or Italy. So use the down arrow to select the particular language. Okay, even Norska, Polska, Portuguese, Romania. So various European countries. So I'm just gonna go back to English and select English. I'm looking for English. Here we go, English. Click OK. Now finish setup. Epson Smart Panel app. Okay, click OK. Okay, so you can scan and install. Okay, so you can set this up using Epson Smart Panel app. Okay, you can also go back. Okay, so you can go back, okay, and switch the printer off again. What we want to do is basically, so the printer is off, switch it back on for us to install. So you can use app or Okay, so select English. Okay, finish setup with app. Select no. Okay, so what I want to do now is set up this printer using the printer itself. So it's getting ready. Now, okay, install cartridges that came with this printer. Start initialization. Okay, so what we need to do is open it up. Okay, and the ink cartridges holder is right here, is here in the middle, waiting for us to install. So we need to go ahead and do the needful. What we need to do is we need to select BK, okay, ink. Okay, open it up. Okay, so this is the ink. Be mindful of this chip here, don't touch it. Just need to pull off the air vent. Okay, now we need to go in to BK, push down. BK is installed. The next on the list is yellow. Okay, so do the same thing with yellow. Open. Okay, do the same thing. Remove the air vent. If you don't remove the air vent, the printer will not function. Okay, go put yellow in. The next is magenta. So magenta is the next on the list. Open it up. Okay, pull. This will open up once it's inside. Here we go. The last but not the least is cyan, which is light blue one. Open it up. Okay, so pull. Okay, the last but not least, go in, push it down. Okay, and it's in. Now the next we need to do is close it. Okay, click OK. Okay, and once you don't click start, so it's checking the ink. Checking ink. Here we go. Now, initialization, do not turn the power off until initialization is complete. This takes about 6 minutes. So what it's doing now, there is a line in the middle. It's going around to the side. So it's moving straight with a blue line in the middle. So it's going. So there's a line. You need to wait for this initialization to complete. Okay. So initialization is what is taking place now. Here we go. So this is the initialization line. So it's moving. There's a blue line that is going across. It will take about 6 minutes for this to be complete. So this is how to install the ink. Okay. So it's getting ready. Here we go. Initialization complete. Click OK. Okay, so this is how to install the ink and complete the initialization process. Thank you very much indeed. Check out my next video how to do the necessary adjustment, how to load the paper tray and adjust. Check out my next video. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.